So I've been getting a lot of people asking me if they should get an oriental short hair, or that they really like Winston, they think he's super cute and they want to get one. So I just kind of wanted to do a video and let you guys know if an oriental short hair is the right breed of cat for you. So although every cat is different, oriental short hairs generally are a lot more active than your average cat, so they definitely require more attention and hands-on playing, I suppose, than other cats. So they definitely aren't recommended for people who maybe aren't home very often, or there's not always someone around. Unlike other cats, can go the whole day being pretty chill and not lonely and be fine. And another super important thing about oriental short hairs is that it's recommended that you have at least one other cat when you acquire one, just because, like I said, they like to be with someone at all times, whether it's you or another animal. They definitely don't ever want to be just by themselves. They get really sad. So basically, to summarize, I would say if you are looking to get an oriental short hair, be prepared to basically have your second shadow, following you around into every room, no matter where you go, because they're just obsessed with being with people, and they're an amazing breed, but definitely not like your average cat. Also, Winston is very chill in comparison to my other cats. Like, my other 4 cats will not just sit here for a video like this. I know a lot of people ask why, maybe I don't get as many videos or pictures of the cats, and it's because they literally don't sit still. Winston, surprisingly, will pose for the camera. Like, look at him. Are you kidding? He's literally amazing. It's so funny. I love all of the cats the same. He just happens to be in front of the camera more and isn't afraid of it.